How to fix WhatsApp status not showing to others problem. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix if your WhatsApp status is not showing to others. The first thing you want to do is open up WhatsApp. Now, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen, then tap on settings. Here, you want to tap on privacy, then tap on status. Now, you want to make sure that you have selected My Contacts for who can see your status. If you tap on Only Share With, then you must include people you want to share your WhatsApp status with. If you have not selected anyone, then your WhatsApp status cannot be viewed by anyone. So make sure that you tap on the My Contacts option so that everyone on your contacts will be able to see your WhatsApp status. Now that you have done that, head back. Here you also want to turn on the Read Receipts. Then head back. Now, if that doesn't fixes your issue, you want to update WhatsApp to the latest version. For that, you want to open Play Store on your device. Now, tap on the search bar and here you want to search for WhatsApp. If you find the update button, go ahead and tap on it. After you tap on the update button, the downloading will begin. Once the downloading has been completed, any bugs with the app will be fixed. You simply want to restart your device, and after that, your problem will be fixed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.